Hello again. In Lesson 9, we have been introduced to the letter P, and we use it for the sound P. So in this sound sorting activity, we will be thinking about P when we hear it at the beginning of a word, when we hear it somewhere in the middle of a word, and when we hear it at the end of a word. Before we start the activity, this is a serpent. That's another name for a snake. Have you drawn your grid? A rectangle with 2 lines, so that we have 3 areas. One for writing the numbers when you hear P right at the beginning. One for writing the numbers when you hear P at the end of the word. And one for if you hear P somewhere in the middle of the word. Let's take a look at the pictures. Pillow, pillow. Write the number 1 in the box where you hear P. Park, park. Remember, you can always pause the video, and maybe you would like somebody else to say the words for you. Helicopter, helicopter. Panda, panda. Serpent, serpent. Wrap, wrap. Sleep, sleep. Pip, pip. Paper, paper. Have a look at the card. You can always pause your video and look out for 2 of the pictures where you can hear P in 2 different places. Come back to me when you're ready. Did you have number 1 for pillow in the box where P is the first sound in the word? 2 for park. 4 panda. 8 pip. And did you spot that pip has P at the beginning and at the end of the word? Paper. We have another one in this box. Paper. And did you spot that paper has P at the beginning and in the middle of the word? Helicopter. That one's quite a tricky one. P can be a very quiet sound. Serpent. Number 5. Serpent. 6. Wrap. 7, sleep. So, did you write 1, 2, 4, 8 and 9 in the box for where you heard P at the beginning of the word? Well done if you did. 3, 5 and 9 where P is somewhere in the middle of the word. Well done if you spotted them all. And 6, 7 and 8 for P at the end of the word. Thank you for joining me. Good job.